Hello everyone, how to tuts back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add videos for YouTube channel trailer. Okay, so sometimes maybe you notice that when you go some YouTube channel but you did not subscribe that channel and there is a trailer. Okay, so if you want to upload or add your videos like that, so this video is for you. So you need to go YouTube. So I'm just going to click YouTube. You can use any browser, and after that you can see profile icon. Simply click here. So you can go from settings or you can go view your channels. I'm just going to show you the easiest way. View your channel, and after that customize channel. Okay, once you click customize channel, then you'll get this, or otherwise you can go here and click settings, and after that, okay, I'm just going to show you like customize channel, and then you can see channel trailer for people who haven't subscriber. Share a preview of your channel shown with people who haven't subscriber yet. It means that like if someone visit your YouTube channel, but if you want to show them the trailer, any trailer and videos, then you can do this thing. So you should choose the best video from your channel. So I'm just going to choose randomly, and after that you can see channel trailer. So to destroy it, so video title is changed. You can also remove later, and after that published. So then go to channel. Once I go to channel, then you can see you can see like it's now it's like a uh, video trailer, channel trailer. So okay friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. So today's no more, and thank you for watching.